Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to review a classic analog multimeter TMK VF-4. This meter is very compact and comes with a nice protective carrying case. Let's see how it's performed. You see it's covered by a leather case. It's very nice. It has two dead lists. It's very nice. You know, TMK is made in Japan. Okay, so first let's test the resistor. X1. Always remember to zero the needle before measuring. Zeroing. Okay, zero. I have two resistors. The first one is 10 ohm and the second one is 1 kilo ohm. The first one 10 ohm, second one 1K. You see, it's so marked 1K, so I cannot test with 1K. Zeroing for X10. Ten ohm and 1K. Maximum for this gain is 10K. Pick 100. Maximum is 100K. Zeroing. Okay. 10 ohm. 1K. Okay. For each 1K, zeroing. Ten ohm, 1K is okay. Next, let's move to for DC voltage. We have 2.5, 10, 50, 250 and 1000. Okay, so we test with 1.2 volt battery. $1.37. How TMK display? Okay. Next, we test with AC voltage. I have AC voltage 230. So how it displays? Okay, 1000. Okay. Now, for the fun part, let's open it up to see what inside. This is Teardown to check the build quality and the internal components. Okay. You see, it's very beautiful, very nice. It uses high quality resistor. Okay, I will measure on of its resistor of this TMK for the reference. This is helpful if you are trying to repair your out unit or just want to see the precision of the components used inside. For measurement, I will use Fluke 8533. (1.5 kilo ohm), 0.647 kilo ohm, 1 kilo ohm, 1.5 mega ohm, 80.8 kilo ohm, 1.7 ohm, 35.5 ohm, 4.47 kilo ohm, 15.07 kilo ohm, 0.5 kilo ohm, 0.4 mega ohm, 5.5 ohm, 59.3 ohm. Okay, overall, the TMK VF-4 is great portable analog meter with a classic feel. The carrying case makes it perfect for field work. So this video I share you something for this TMK VF-4 with some test resistor AC volt, DC volt, and I measure all of this resistor for your reference. If you found this video helpful, please give a thumb up and subscribe for more tool reviews and teardown. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.